Good evening, everyone. We welcome you to the first session of the practical use of plant subclass and superclass. It's an opportunity to learn from Dr. Shankaran live. He had done this a decade earlier in WWR1, Wednesdays with Rajan 1. Now we have this great opportunity again to learn from Sir. So let me give you a brief about what this session is. So this is the latest course by HMP, Homeopathic Medical Publishers, named The Practical Use of Plant Subclass and Superclass. And this is the first live session. So this course will consist of 20 hours of video lectures, which can be viewed as per your convenience. And also, complimentary, you will get 4 live sessions with Dr. Rajan Shankaran on the first Sunday of each month. There you will have the opportunity to ask your doubts and queries to Sir and get them answered. So the first course in this plant subclass and superclass series, Sir had thought about the basic introduction of the plant subclasses, the evolution of the subclasses, and the relation between subclasses and superclasses. And now in this course, Sir will enhance our knowledge and teach us further about plant subclasses and superclasses, and especially about the 4th and 5th subclass and superclass in detail with many cases and many newer remedies. This is the syllabus in short, and here are the dates for the live sessions of the next 4 months. This course you will have access for 5 months after the activation date. Now many people will have a query that what was the first course about? So the first course was Plant Subclass and Superclass 1, which is available on our HMP website as a video course. In that, Sir has taught us about the 6 subclasses of the dicots, and he had made us understand the characteristic pattern of reaction of all these subclasses. He had also made us understand the other kingdoms from mineral and animal, the other groups from the mineral and animal kingdoms, and how we can understand the superclasses in relation to the botanical subclasses. That video series is of 21 hours, and it represents the next step in the development of the sensation method and is proving most valuable in practice to the people who have already watched it and are using it in practice. All the talks are video recorded and you can watch them as per your convenience, and that is of 4 months.
We'll go to the analysis. So we have to first understand the case, exact and complete and depth. Exact means each symptom you have to understand exactly. Complete means you have to complete all aspects of the case: mental, physical, general, particular, pathology, etc., etc. And depth means you have to see the connecting thread between all the features of the case. This is what I mean by exact, complete, and depth. Once you do that, then you have the 8 boxes. You put the information into these different aspects of the case: the pathology, local symptom, physical symptoms, mental symptoms, dreams, sensation, miasm, and genius or pattern. So these are the boxes or aspects of the case that you classify the information. Then you come to the idea of which kingdom it could be. And then you see that in all her features, you see the main feeling is, I'm stuck, I need to get out. My pain, I need to move. So everywhere this feeling. So all the situations outside produce a kind of sensation and a reaction. So this is most probably a plant kingdom case. So this is a very subtle thing that you've got to understand also. So basically, what kind of experience does it produce? So here you see every experience produces a fear which causes a feeling of, I'm stuck, I need to get out. Sensitivity and reactivity.